Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're going to be drawing Super Mario. So grab your markers and your paper and let's get started. I'm going to draw an oval right here. Now I'm going to want to draw a large upside down U shape for his eye. Then I'll draw another one right here. Let's draw another curved line right here. Then we'll draw another one and fill that one in. Let's do the same thing over at this eye. Starting from this point here, I want to bring a curved line down to his nose. And now I'll do the same thing over at this side. Let's make some bumps coming off that line like this. Now we'll do the same thing on this side. Let's draw a large U shape right here. Feel free to pause and rewind if you need more time. I'll draw a curved line for his teeth and then another one for his tongue. Let's fill in the space in between with some black marker. I'll make a thick U shape right here and over the other eye, and then I'll fill it in. Let's go over here and make a curved line. From the top of that line, we'll come all the way over here until we get to about this point, right there. Now we'll make a line from here and bring it over to that point. And then we'll do another line right about here and do one more smaller line like this. Then we'll go from this point and make a sideburn. Now we'll finish up this sideburn like this. I'm going to make a long curved line like this for the top of his hat. D-shape over here for his ear. And a small line for the inside of his ear. Let's bring a curved line from here all the way down to this point. And we'll make a U shape for his chin, like this. I'll do a curved line right here. I'll draw a slanted line right here to finish his face. Let's make a large U shape from here all the way over to this point right here. And I'll draw his thumb in like this. Okay, let's start the fingers. I'm making a few curved lines and then an oval for the last finger. Let's bring a curved line all the way around to this point and finish off his glove. Now I'm bringing a line slightly curved down to this point. Let's draw a long curved line like this for his body and the side of his leg. I want to draw like a teardrop shape for his overall strap. Let's draw an oval for his button. Now I'll bring a line down here for the other strap. Let's make a couple of curved lines here for his pant leg. We'll make a U shape here for his knee. Let's make a large curved line like this for his shoe. I'm drawing a curved line here for his shoulder. Now let's make a line like this and curve it around for his thumb. I'll make a backward C shape like this for his fist. Now I'll do some curved lines to show his fingers. Let's come back down and make a bean shape for the bottom of his boot. Now I'm just going to make a couple of lines for some details. Let's draw a curved line like this for the other side of his leg, and a curved line like this for the bottom of his pants. I'm going to make a U shape here for his boot. And I'll make another one right here. Now I'll make some lines right here to separate his pants from his shirt. One last thing, we need to draw the Mario emblem on his hat. Well, there he is. I can't wait to see what he looks like colored. How did I do? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know who I should draw next. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.
Dad Doodles, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun Dad way.